Quick look at what an electrician earns in Dominica. The average salary of an electrician in Dominica is $9,000 a year. That leaves an average electrician income of $8,100 after tax, which brings home roughly $675 a month. While smaller towns pay below this average electrician pay, larger places offer noticeably more. For instance, electrician wages in Roseau reach $9,600 after tax, but higher local costs often eat up that extra money. Starting out in this role brings in much less, though you will see pay go up quickly during your first few years. After that early boost, your electrician salary in Dominica usually levels off unless you step up into supervision. Having a formal degree is not always required locally, but it helps you earn more and opens doors. With extra education, you can move up to a site supervisor or electrical project manager. On top of that, learning special skills like industrial wiring helps answer how much does an electrician make in Dominica if they want top pay.